Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log in to Advent Health web portal. Now let's get started. Open your web browser and navigate to Advent Health website. You can do this by typing Advent Health login. Now click on Advent Health, your unified patient portal. After that, you will be directed to login page of Advent Health. Simply type your email address and password and click on sign in. If you have forgotten your password, you can recover it by clicking on forgot password. If you are new to Advent Health and do not have an account, you can still get its services. Simply click on find and schedule care and pay bill as guest. Or if you want to create an account, click on create account. You can also use Advent Health login on your mobile device. If you are an Android user, get it on Google Play, and if you are an iOS user, download it on App Store. That's it. Follow the simple step and successfully use Advent Health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials.